All right, they told me the cheapest glasses to find was at this brick and mortar store that you need a membership. So after walking into the store and looking at prices, I saw the prices were really high. Not only they were high, but they did not include the lens. That's another thing they don't tell you. They give you the price up front, but they don't tell you that you need to buy the lens, you need to actually take a test, you need to do a bunch of things before you even get these glasses. Now on my quest, I was looking for dark glasses too also, and glasses that will reflect any kind of light, because I go to a lot of events that requires me to wear glasses, and I requires me also to come on camera, that I don't want you guys to just notice the lights are reflecting in my camera. So with the glasses I just got, with a really good price, I'm gonna let you know a little secret. Now, nothing was done. I turned in my subscription. Everything was done through the actual internet. I'm able to play golf. I'm able to play sports. I'm able to go to events. The glasses are real comfortable. You just send your subscription and it's ready to go. Lens and frames are included. You can just take the middleman off and save yourself some money. Now, if you do any outdoor activities, or if you're all in the park or having a barbecue or having fun, you want to wear some comfortable glasses. Inexpensive, very simple to actually just add your information to the system and purchase them. Now, when I've got these, they have different types of shades. I was surprised because not a lot of people give you those options. Either you buy them as is, or you get what they offer. Most of the times you can't modify or manipulate or changes on the glasses, but these glasses itself are very useful. I mean, I find them very comfortable, even more comfortable than my original glasses I purchased for 5 times the amount of these glasses. And got to say, these are a pair that are very light. If you guys are gonna take a long hike and you want to make sure you got the protective gear, not just your bottled water and your backpack, but also your glasses. That's very important, because a lot of people don't know that UV rays might damage your actual eyes. So this is a way to actually enjoy your walks and have some fun.